Those are hic burps.
What, Mommy?
She's just looking around studying. She's staring straight at me. Uh-oh.
What is it? What is it, Queen?
She doesn't like the hiccups. They're keeping her awake.
We need a burpee again. Do we need to do another burpee? Oh, I know, Mommy. They're not comfortable. Hi, Beauty Queen. Hi, Beauty Queen.
Tell Grandpa Jim you're drinking lots of milk to get big and strong.
Yeah, brain food.
Lots of milk.
Lots of milk. Want some more? Here we go. Here we go. Here, Mommy. Here, Mommy. I know. Don't chew your hands. We don't chew our hands. Ladies don't chew hands. Like father, like daughter.
Oh, look at that good milk. She's watching me. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Why do they keep bringing that thing over here?
What is that big old silver thing?
Okay, little one.
Time for bed now.
Keep drinking your milk. Get big and strong. Oh, oddly enough, the hiccups are gone. Okay, good night.
Night.
Good night. Good night, little one.